Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to shine your boots. A lot of you have been asking how I shine my boots because you are either going into the academy or you're interested in joining the academy. I am just going to show you how I do it. I usually don't shine my boots on a regular basis, but as you can see, these need to be shined. This is just a random table that I had in my closet. I recommend putting down newspaper if you're using an everyday kind of table because you don't want to put boots on your everyday table. This is just a random table that I don't use at all ever. So once I'm done shining my boots, I'm just gonna wipe it down with some cleaner. These are the boots that I use on a daily basis. And these are just the 5'11" tactical boots. I just find these comfortable because I have worn them for so long and I broke them in. I recently just got a new pair that I don't recommend because they're just not comfortable. They're hard to put on. They seriously just annoy the hell out of me, and I think I'm just gonna either donate them or get rid of them. I don't know. Until I get a different pair of boots, these are what I am going to be wearing. Now, as far as the sizing goes, I have a women's 8.5. I got these at a local uniform store. So you can either get boots online, you can either go to any kind of local store that you have near you. I definitely recommend going to a store instead so that you can try them on. Typically with uniform attire, whether it's your pants, shirt, belt, boots, anything like that, the department does pay for unless you are part-time. Typically part-timers don't necessarily get a uniform allowance. There's a zipper on the side, but I never use that. And then there's this Velcro part. I literally just throw them on and tie them. I stuck the shoelaces in here just for the video, but we are gonna jump into how to shine your boots. What you need in order to shine your boots successfully is a brush to wipe off any kind of dirt, dust, anything like that. This is just the one that I'm using, but it just has hard bristles. You need good old shoe polish. It doesn't matter what kind that you use. This is the Kelly's professional grade black shoe polish. You can typically get shoe polish at Walmart, Target. I like to use instant shoe shine to top everything off. This isn't a necessity, but I just find that it makes it look even more polished if you top your boots off with this. It's just a sponge and you just go over your boots with it. Any kind of t-shirt. I want to make sure that it's a cotton t-shirt kind of material. Any kind of lighter. Now, I used to use lighters to light my candles, but then I switched to this electric lighter, so I'm gonna have to improvise and use matches. But if you have a lighter, that would work best. The warmth of the flame helps warm up the shoe polish and it makes it a little bit more on the shiny side, which is what we're looking for. And then the last thing I use is water. To start off, we're gonna take our brush and brush away any kind of dirt or dust that might be on our boots. Next, we're gonna take our shoe polish and t-shirt. Shoe polish smells so bad. I like to use my index finger, so I just wrap my index finger with the t-shirt, and then we're gonna pick up some of the polish and you just work it in doing circular motions. Typically when shining your boots, you really only do the front. Especially in the academy, you don't want to make your whole boot shiny. It's usually just the front. If you need more polish, just pick it up and continue in circular motions. Once you have a nice, decent layer on there, this is what it will look like. It kind of looks like a matte black. With newer boots, you'll probably need less shoe shine, but since mine are pretty worn in, I'm kind of just gonna put a nice layer on. Now we're going to take our fire. Since I don't have a lighter, I'm just gonna take a match. Once it's ignited, I'm gonna either hold my boot upside down or tilt it to the side, and you're just gonna let it melt the shoe polish. As you can see, it became a little more shiny since you warmed up the shoe polish. Now we're gonna go back in to the t-shirt with water. I'm gonna dampen your cloth, and you're going to go in circular motions. This is where I like to top it off with the instant shine sponge. So it just looks like this. And I just go back and forth just to really put a nice shine on top. Usually just do the front part of the shoe. People in my academy did the sole, and I don't think our instructors like that. That is how you shine your boots. This is something that I struggled with in the academy, so I just wanted to share my tips and tricks with you guys. I hope that it helps for when you go to shine your boots, whether you're on duty or going into the academy. It might be a struggle the first couple times, but I promise once you keep doing it, you will definitely get the hang of it. I am in no way an expert on shining boots, but I figured I would just show you guys what I do to make them look shiny and a little bit more presentable. So there's the before and this is the after. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave everything in the description box down below, step by step, and all of the products that I used. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later.